So for the next mod, we're gonna install these Hall effect joysticks from Gulikit. Now the install for this is fairly straightforward. There's only a bit of problem with the calibration. Just at the back of these, there is meant to be a button, yeah, so there's like this tiny button which is meant to calibrate it, but boys are saying that that doesn't really work too well, so we'll have to see what it's like. Anyway, they come in like, you know, a nice box, so I'll be able to put the old or these thumbsticks in here for safekeeping. Now that means unfortunately we'll have to take the case apart again, which is going to be quite difficult. But first of all, gotta remove the SD card. So actually, not sure if I showed this in the last mod video or mod section, but I got the come on boy. Christ, there we go. I got the 1.5 terabyte micro SD card. There is a 2 terabyte micro SD card, but it's €200, and the 1.5 terabytes one is €100. So you're paying €100 for 500 gigs, which is not good. So that's why I got this one, because it's kind of the best value. Put that there. We'll put it on the iPhone mini so that doesn't get lost. Next we'll need to take this case off. So this time I'm actually going to use the official case to rest the Steam Deck upside down. Alright, so I got them all apart. Or I removed all the screws. So I make sure that there is nothing in here and there is nothing in here. So now comes the hard part. Last time I used one of these to try and get these out, but that was quite difficult. So I'm gonna try this tool today and see if that works any better. Alright, there we go. No clips are broken, so that's good, I think, anyway. So we'll just leave that there. Alright. So, to take these apart. Ah shit, it turned on. Okay, well, yeah, I don't know how it turned on, because I didn't really press the power button. Okay, we'll wait for it to switch off. Now that it's off again, what we want to do here, there, so they're the same screwdriver as the shell, so that's good. Now these might be different, so I will put them, I'll put them here on this side, just in case they're different. Oh shit. Alright, so there's a flap here that you need to lift up, like so, and pull it back. And now this whole joystick should just come out. Okay, there we go. So this is the right one, and this is the right one here. So we can compare and see what's the story here. So yeah, they look pretty much the same, and they also have like this red wire coming here as well. And yeah, so should be all good. Yeah, we'll actually just put this one back in here, and then we'll just need to mount it. Alright, So we'll actually lift this bad boy up here first, and then we'll try and shove it in. Alright, I think that's okay. Yeah, so there is like small kind of posts here. So there's two of them that kind of goes on. Alright, so we'll put it, okay, so we actually can't really put it down because it's going to interfere. So we'll just have to screw them mid-air and make sure that this thing is, you know, not underneath. Alright, so, oh shit. Okay, so actually a good strategy is to kind of move the Steam Deck here, so it's kind of like floating. And then that way the joysticks are floating as well. Then make sure you put this thing back. So yeah, that should be fine. And then all we need to do is the same thing on this side. So there are two ways to calibrate this thing. One is inside the game mode, and then the other is inside the desktop mode. Now, first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually test. The fuck? Okay. So it looks like there's already something wrong. Let's see. Controller. Yeah. Okay, so it doesn't look... Oh wow, this one is really bad. So we will increase the dead zone for a little bit. Okay, we'll actually increase it harder. Okay, so yeah, this one is quite bad. The left one. Oh, the fuck. Yeah, the right one isn't too bad. Or the left one isn't too bad. Yeah, we'll need to do something with this one. Okay, so we'll try desktop mode now. So go into power, switch to desktop mode, and you can probably put the cover on slightly now because we won't be, you know, using it or pressing those buttons again. So I won't close the cover all the way, just enough to, you know, hold it. Alright. So we need to open console, the terminal. And then for the command, I forgot the command that we need to type. Okay, so it's thumbstick_cal. So we'll press enter and see what happens. Okay. Reading, step 1, release, and press A or enter. Okay, so step 1, just don't touch them, press enter. Step 2, rotate both thumbsticks. Okay. 360 degrees. Then press A to continue. Alright, so thumbstick calibration is successful. Press A to exit. Okay, so now we can see how it looks like inside inside the settings thing. We'll see how it looks like now. So it should be dead center, hopefully. Right, here it is. Boom. Okay. Oh, nice. So yeah, look, it's dead center. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah. So yeah, it's like a square for some reason, but that's fine. At least it reaches everything and returns to center. And then this one here as well. So yeah, it's working all well, even though it's a square, but it returns to more or less center. So that means we can decrease this thing to like 3000 maybe even 2000. We'll do 2200. Fuck yeah, we'll do 2000. All right, and then this one as well will go to all the way to 2000, because yeah, there shouldn't be any drifting now. All right, let's see, test device inputs. All right, so as you can see, the joysticks are at 0, 0, which is what you want. And then if we were to move them, you see the way they go. They go up in numbers. So if these were not 0, 0, that means your joysticks are drifting, so you need to increase the dead zone or do that calibration thing again. But it's looking good for us. Yeah, we also need to check if this sensor thing is working. Oh yeah, so it works. So you can see here I can move, you know, with the joystick just fine. But if I just hold it, and I can move with the gyro. So yeah, that works fine. And then the other button, I suppose in the meantime, we can do is, Jesus, I finally managed to set it up so that both of them are using it. So as you can see, I tap here, I can use gyro. Then I tap here, I can use gyro as well. So if you're struggling to set this up, because Jesus Christ, what you want to do is you want to go into controller settings, right? You want to edit layout. You want to go all the way down to gyro. Then you want to click this fucking settings thing. Then you want to go all the way down until you see button behavior. And then what you want to do is you want to select this thing here. So that will activate it for this joystick then. And that's all you need to do, Jesus Christ. And then that actually works. So yeah, it'll work for both of them now. So that's pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna quit this game. All right. So yeah, those joysticks are pretty good. You can really dial in the dead zone, which is nice. So yeah, thank you boys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.